कन्नड़ सिनेमा की चर्चित अभिनेत्री संजना गलरानी ने आज कर्नाटक के सीएम सिद्धरमैया से मुलाकात की। न्यूज एजेंसी एएनआई के मुताबिक सीएम से मुलाकात के दौरान अभिनेत्री ने उन्हें कन्नड़ फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में काम करने वालों की सुरक्षा सुनिश्चित करने के लिए एसोसिएशन बनाने के लिए एक ज्ञापन सौंपा। इसके अलावा अभिनेत्री ने अपने सोशल मीडिया अकाउंट से भी इसकी जानकारी साझा की है। संजना ने इंस्टाग्राम पोस्ट साझा कर लिखा है, #मीटू आंदोलन के बाद अब समय आ गया है कि हम समाधान खोजें और अतीत की समस्याओं के बारे में शिकायत न करें। यहाँ मेरा अनुरोध पत्र है जिसमें बताया गया है कि एक महिला समिति का गठन करना कितना महत्वपूर्ण है, जो हमारे कन्नड़ फिल्म उद्योग में कभी अस्तित्व में नहीं थी। अभिनेत्री ने आगे लिखा कि वे SWAA नामक संस्था के गठन का अनुरोध करती हैं। सिनेमा में महिलाओं को शोषण से बचाने के लिए संजना फाउंडेशन के द्वारा ये एक पहल है। आगे संजना गलरानी ने क्या कुछ कहा, ये सुनते हैं।
I can ask you so many questions, but will a new girl know all these questions? And if a new girl is asked, then her questions will be suppressed. So we want a new body to be formed, and this is an initiative from my foundation, Sanjana Gulrani Foundation. I have been a part of the film industry, worked in all 4 South Indian film industries, Hindi television, for a span of more than 18 years. And I have come across many situations where I have seen many people who are not even official producers, official directors, who just utilize the name of the film industry that yes, I am from the film industry and I will give you an opportunity, and try to exploit so many new girls who come into the film industry. So when it comes to so this is a very wide topic, but I want to come down to the Kannada film industry because I am from Karnataka and I have started my career here. I am really very emotional about being a part of Kannada film industry. So I want a committee to be formed to protect women and to protect their rights, and so that the women know about their rights. They don't even know about their rights, how they are supposed to behave, what are the facilities they are supposed to ask. So there's no board of director of women which is readily available to help or supervise the need of the women in the Kannada film industry.
A committee called HEMA, Justice HEMA Committee, was formed in Kerala. It submitted its report. Other side, there are several committees, several organizations here also submitting the report for the safety and security of the women, ensuring the safety and security of the women. Are you also assuring them?
No, we are not assuring. See, there the damage had happened in Kerala, and after that the committee was formed. Here I am asking for a particular committee which will be controlling the damage from happening. We don't want the damage to happen. Of course, there is women exploitation happening everywhere. There are, fake scamster people who promise you, make promises and roam around saying, I am from the film industry. But when it comes to women, who will educate them that, what are the questions you need to ask him? Are you really a producer? What is it that you have produced in the past? Are you there on IMDb? Are you a director? Is your film already released? Is your film available on YouTube? Is it there on Netflix? Is it there on Amazon? Can I have a glance of it? Can I see a YouTube link of it? Is your name there in the particular subtitles? See, I am 18-year experienced. I can ask you so many questions, but will a new girl know all these questions? And if a new girl is asked, then her questions will be suppressed. You want an opportunity or you don't want an opportunity? And then she'll fall into the trap. So if there's a committee which is formed to educate women about their basic rights, protecting them and to educate them about their basic rights, and to make them a member of Sandalwood Women Artists Association. We are calling it SWA. So if they are registered with Artists Association, we can give them a rule book to empower them about their rights. But I have come here particularly to Vidhan Sauda to meet the CM and the Home Minister, because through meeting them, we want this particular SWAA to be affiliated by the government of Karnataka so that it has more weight.